When we enjoy everything in life, we enjoy life itself. And when we feel restricted, we always feel restricted in life. Isn't that so? Hi everyone, I'm Madhvi, a complete lifestyle coach, and I'm here to talk to you about the way we look at our lives, the way we perceive our lives, the way we want our lives to be, but way we actually think it is. Now here I want to put up a new concept. What kind of a universe are you living in? We all are living in a universe where we perceive things in a certain way, and we believe that that is the only way that things are possible. Are we living in a universe where we feel protected, where we feel supported, or are we living in a universe where we are feeling that everyone is out to get me, out to hurt me, I'm always getting into trouble? Which kind of a universe do you believe you live in? In a supportive universe or an unsupportive universe? This is where the concept of the either or comes in, and the concept of and comes in. What is this either or and? Either or, living in an either or universe. I can either have this or have that, never both, or never what I want. How many of us live in this kind of a thought process? And we often get this. We are always compromising one place in our life to get something else. We are always compromising our happiness, thinking making others happy will make us happy. We are always compromising the things we want, thinking that we will get it sometime in the future. That is the either or universe. Living in the and universe. The and universe is the universe where you can have this and that, whatever it is. You can have this and that. It is possible. It is achievable. It is happening for many people, and it can happen for you also. You are no different. You are not a person who is a victim here. You are a person to experience life. You are here to experience life completely. And living in that or and universe actually helps you experience life. Living in that either or universe is always living in that limited, restricted life. And living in that and universe always gives you the possibility of a better, brighter, more abundant future. So let's think about this way of thinking. Thinking positive is not possible always. I need to think positive, I need to think positive, I need to be positive. Does not work always. When you're walking on the road, you step into shit, your leg is full of shit, you need to clean it. You can't think positive then. But if you think of a possibility of an and universe, what are the possibilities at this particular situation that I am, from with whatever shit or mess that I am in my life, where do I want to go? What are the possibilities? What are the options? What all can I do? And there will be limitless, abundant possibilities that will come up in front of you. And yes, you can choose from whatever you want to do and go ahead and live the life that you want, rather than living in that restricted, limited place where you feel is the only way of living. Think about these possibilities. Think about how your life can be. Usually we are having confusion in our mind. There was a time in my life where I always felt everyone was always angry with me, everyone was always against me, everyone was always complaining. And that was a confusion going on in my mind. I was never clear. The more the confusion, the more the chaos, the more the problems. The minute I shifted focus and started thinking of what I want, what are the possibilities, what are the things I need to shift focus to, then I started getting clarity on what are the things I want and where I want to go in my life. The more we live in that confusion, the more of the confusion we get, the more we shift our focus towards the possibilities, the more clarity we get, and the more we move into the and universe. This and that. And that is what I have to share for you today. Comment in the comment section below and let me know what is your universe like and how would you want it to be. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and let me know your views about how you want to live your life. Follow me on YouTube, follow me on Instagram, follow me on LinkedIn, follow me on Facebook. Watch my website madhvilifestylecoach.com, and I will see you next time. But before that, let me know what your universe is like. I'm coming up with brand new programs for everyone out there. Right now, the program that is running is Unconditional Self-Love Workshop. If you want to be a part of it, let me know in the comment section below, and we can take your life to the next level, to the next universe where everything is possible. Your life is amazing. Your life can be amazing. That's all from me, Madhvi, a complete lifestyle coach. Signing off for now. Take care. Bye-bye.